Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this incubator which have a capacity of 160 eggs, and it is size is 2 feet by 2 feet and the height is 8 inches. On this side is 4 inches and downside is 4 inches. So on the bottom side we have to put the eggs, and all the electrical part is on the top side. Over here we have these two circuits, which is 1209 circuits, which control the temperature inside. One is for the over temperature. If it goes if the temperature goes over 38.5, it's going to stop the power to this, and this is for maintaining a temperature from the inside the incubator. So this is controlling this, and this is controlling inside the temperature of incubator. Over here we have these observation windows. We can see how the eggs are doing inside. These are two windows, observation windows. So I'm going to open it. Okay, on the inside we have this thermoplastic covering on the bottom, which is very good for insulation for the heat. And on the this side we have this water bowl. The water bowl have to be put just right down of the both sides, so it's going to get warm and the humidity is going to be very good inside of it. On the top side we have this fan. Its power is 0.35 and it's very good through all the air over the bulb, and it is throwing all the air inside of the incubator very equally, and it's working very great. On this side we have 100-watt bulb, and it's going to turn off and off as it is going to soon temperature by the thermostat. And we have these two sensors, which is W1209 sensors, top just top of the bottom of just top of the eggs, so it can sense accurately temperature of the eggs. The whole incubator temperature will be same. Okay, over here we have this it is experimental incubator I have made. The top is become very heavy, so I have given a support by this wooden, and it looks like a carbonate to me. It is funny. So if you want to make incubator for yourself, like this one, not like this one, manual incubator, automatic egg turner, brooder, cage, etc., any kind of related to poultry or hatching. So if you want to see those videos, you can search Umair's workshop on YouTube, and you can see all of the tutorial as well, or maybe you can find in the end of the video, or you can find the cards on the top of the video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.